Hi, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to share with you the secret tool for catch-all emails. So I talked in my last video already what catch-all emails are, and I said that you can't really predict if the email is going to arrive or not because we don't know if the email exists or not. And if you lose a good 20% of your list, then it's obviously a question for everyone to send or not to send, because either you lose a lot of contacts or you're just going to increase your bounce rate, which brings a lot of risks. So there are two things what you can do about it. First of all, if you can identify the source of your contact, then you can decide if you want to send it or not. Because if you know that the email is from the company website, let's say you're looking for the CEO and then they have a page where they talk about this person and the email is specified, then obviously you can go ahead and send it. Another reliable instance is social media. If the person has specified their email in LinkedIn, Facebook, or somewhere else, obviously it is the right email and you can go ahead and send it. Other reliable sources, or that you personally find reliable, if the email is specified there, then obviously go ahead and send it. If you got the email from some inbound leads, like the person has specified this email, him or herself, then you can use it as well. So what to do with the remaining emails, the ones that you got from a list, the ones that you got from a tool, or the ones where you just don't know where the email is coming from? There's one really cool hack that will help you to identify some of these emails. Okay, so as you can tell from my screen already, the secret tool is Microsoft Outlook, and we're going to use it to quickly verify our catch-all emails. Now let's get into it. So I have it already open. I used my Gmail account to create an account with Outlook, and I don't need to sign up for anything and pay for anything. So I just logged in. It's a fresh new account, and I just need to click on new message. I copied a couple of emails that I need to verify. Just in bulk in my spreadsheet, selected 10 or more of them and copied. And now I just click on 2 and paste it in there. And what you can do now is click on the contact. If this email is connected with the LinkedIn account, it will show you the LinkedIn information. Obviously, not everyone is on LinkedIn, but as I said, the results showed that we were able to verify around 40 or 50% of all the contacts. And in this case, for this contact, you cannot see anything. Basically, it still remains unknown if the email exists or not. Now let's take a second shot. But this one exists because we can see the LinkedIn information, and I have a LinkedIn tab. When you do it for the first time, it will ask you to log in into your LinkedIn account and connect it with it so that it can pull all the information. So I did this already beforehand, and now I just click on this tab and you can find this person. You can find even additional information if you want to see it. And yeah, you just mark it in your file as verified because it's connected with the LinkedIn account. Now let's have a look at the others just to double check. This one is not existing, or we don't know if it's existing. This one as well. This exists on LinkedIn because you can see it here, and this one is also present. So if it says learn more on LinkedIn, then it means that, well, it's not connected with the LinkedIn account. This one is connected. And same goes for this one. So you can see it's pretty easy and quickly. It doesn't require a lot of complex tasks. It's just clicking here and there, and this is why it's really easy and fast to do. Even if you have 500 emails, you can do it at a matter of maybe 20 or 30 minutes if you really want to know the status of the email. But be cautious, because every time you do this, it's the same as you would perform a LinkedIn search. And if you do it too often, then LinkedIn might log you out of Outlook or ask you to take a break. So I recommend to check probably around 200 emails, not more, at the same time, and take a pause so that you stay logged in and don't get any notifications from LinkedIn. So yeah, this is the secret I'm using to unleash catch-all emails, and it's really quick to set it up, but helps so much in our projects to identify catch-all emails.